This is the easiest way to achieve a beautiful and simple Ankara Headwrap style. Hello everyone, welcome to African Beautiful Fashion and Lifestyle. In this video, I am going to be showing you how you can achieve a very beautiful and simple Ankara headwrap style. See the way I use rubber band to hold it, and then I take my wrap from back to front, making sure that that part I ordered with rubber band is in the front, and I just cross it in that manner, and then I try to cover the opening of my wrap. You can actually use a hair tie or rubber band to hold that part at the back and just tuck it in, but because my material is all matching, I just kind of like do a small tucking on top of my ear right there. It's very covered, so I'm good to go. And I'm going to be opening up the flay that I use rubber band to hold, and you can see how flaying is playing already. Like it's looking beautiful, like a satellite airdrop style, and it's so easy. So I use my pin, the straight pin, to hold it down at the left side, and I'm going to be repeating the same thing at the right side. So my material is kind of like folding because it kind of like not flexing off the way I want it, like I'm supposed to make it smaller, but I really want to stretch it to the end. So we're going to make it well because the material is kind of like soft. See, very soft material, but we can still achieve something that stand out. Isn't this beautiful, guys? Very simple, very easy, in less than 2 minutes. And this is what the box looks like, and this is my style number 1. You can rock this to any event of your choice and you will look so elegant and beautiful. Let me know in the comment section if you actually like this style number 1. So I'm going to remove my pin, the one on the right side, and try to achieve another simple and beautiful hairstyle. So I'm just going to take that side and bring it to the front and just use my pin to hold it in this manner. It's just like a one-sided would I call it rose or style. It's just a very cute and nice style to do, and you are done. Look at style number 2. Let me know which of this style you will be rocking, which of these styles you like. Is it the first time with that eye arc, or this low-key simple to achieve style? Which of the style will you be trying? And you can just add a brunch in the center and you are good to go. And guys, who said this style is not nice? I just add my eyeglasses and thanks for watching. Don't forget to share with somebody. I love you all.